We are hearing a lot about the power of artificial intelligence in our lives and businesses. While AI still has a way to go, right now tools exist that can help you in your childcare business. We've found that the easiest and most versatile for childcare providers was ChatGPT. Today, we will first review what AI is and then review some ways that you can use it to advance your business. The information contained here has been prepared by Civitas Strategies and is not intended to constitute legal, tax, or financial advice. The Civitas Strategies team has used reasonable efforts in collecting, preparing, and providing this information, but does not guarantee its accuracy, completeness, adequacy, or currency. The publication and distribution of this information are not intended to create, and receipt does not constitute, an attorney-client or any other advisory relationship. Reproduction of this information is expressly prohibited. Only non-commercial uses of this work are permitted. Today, we will be going over what AI is, highlighting ChatGPT, a free AI system that you can use on the web. We will also show you how AI can help your business generate revenue, improve sales and marketing, and help recruit staff. AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think, reason, learn, and make decisions like humans. There are two main types of AI: weak AI and strong AI. Weak AI is designed and trained for specific tasks, but lacks general cognitive abilities like Siri or Alexa. Strong AI is a system that possesses human-level intelligence and can understand, learn, and apply knowledge in various domains, just like a human being, which is still largely theoretical and is a challenge to create because of the complexity of human intelligence and the limitations of current AI technologies. AI can be further categorized based on how it operates. Rule-based AI uses predefined rules and logic to process information and make decisions. It follows a specific set of instructions and cannot adapt or learn beyond what is programmed into it. Machine learning AI focuses on creating algorithms that allow systems to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed through supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning that utilizes artificial neural networks to process and learn from vast amounts of data and has shown remarkable success in tasks like image and speech recognition. ChatGPT is a specific AI system that is currently offered for free. ChatGPT is considered a weak AI. It answers your questions and uses machine and deep learning to create better answers over time. It is offered on the web as well as through iPhone and Android apps. You can type in your questions, requests, or prompts into ChatGPT as you would communicate with another person, and ChatGPT will formulate a response. It can answer general questions such as what is the tallest mountain in the world, but can also respond based on data you provide. For example, you can add in all the marketing materials you have for your childcare business and then ask ChatGPT to create web pages from the data. AI is a tool for humans, which needs humans to ask questions, verify answers, and shape the responses into something that will be useful. Think of it as a booster for your time. Using AI will help you do more with less time, but not do everything. We asked ChatGPT, how can you help a childcare business owner? In its response, ChatGPT has hit on a number of key areas where childcare business owners often need help, like with financial management, staff training, and parent communication, to name a few. Let's explore some business specifics with ChatGPT. To get help with generating new revenue, we asked ChatGPT, what are some ideas for new revenue streams for a childcare business? In this response, Chat offers multiple ideas for raising funds like raffles, partnerships, and parent involvement events. You can also ask ChatGPT about how to cut costs to maximize revenue, or you can input specifics about your business. For example, you can tell ChatGPT, I am a home-based childcare business owner. I have $1,000 to invest in increasing my revenue or cutting costs over the next 60 days. What are my 3 best options to consider? ChatGPT then offers helpful suggestions that will help you hone in on the best choices for your business. ChatGPT can also be useful in developing sales and marketing tactics. It can offer suggestions for free marketing strategies, create content for newsletters or advertisements, or even help develop a Facebook page for your business and write posts. In this example, we asked ChatGPT to write an ad for a child care business. There are a number of ways that ChatGPT can help with recruiting staff, starting with ideas on best practices. You can ask ChatGPT about the best ways to recruit staff and help with writing a hiring ad. In this example, we asked ChatGPT, what are the best ways to recruit staff for my child care business? ChatGPT then lists various methods to advertise the job opening, who to connect with in the community, and even offers suggestions on the hiring process. These examples are only the tip of the iceberg since ChatGPT can respond to your specific questions and needs. But again, it is important to remember that ChatGPT does have limitations. It cannot replace you and your decisions, but can certainly help you make and execute them. By understanding these aspects of ChatGPT and AI language models, childcare business owners can make informed decisions about their use, ensuring they leverage AI technology responsibly and effectively to enhance their communication and services. Thank you for joining today. If you are interested in other helpful resources, information, and guides, visit childcaretotexas.gov to find these on various topics in both English and Spanish. There, you can also sign up and register for free one-on-one business coaching.